Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, all. We are Group 6, and we will be presentation our project-based learning project. We hope you will understand to apply class attention to our presentation. Uh, my name is Kevin Yolanda Basri.
My name is Muhammad Fadil Akbar. Number one, problem statement. In the second semester, we are asked to further develop the line follower robot that was introduced in the first semester. We are required to redesign and improve all aspects of the project, include the mechanical design, electrical system, and programming. Using a wrestling approach where applicable, the robot must be designed to fit within a maximum dimension of 15 centimeters in length, width, and height. After the static pass a size expansion up to 20 centimeters in length, width, and height is allowed as from expansion. The robot main task to transport two types of objects, marbles and tree models, and to place the marbles into designed basket. The object handling mechanism must a gripper which requires the design assembly onto the robot body without exceeding the initial size constraints. Additionally, the robot must be capable of displaying real-time sensor and motor reading on a monitor laptop, providing visual feedback during its operation. Number two, system requirement review include deliverable output. Equipment analysis. The robot must be able to follow a white line on a black surface stably. And functional specification. Next specification. Next, a theory or deliverable output. Sorry too long. Thank you.
My name is Kevin Yolanda Basri. And including system diagram, mechanical context, and program algorithm. Design 1. We designed nuclear and minimalist structure to ensure the robot apparatus at maximum efficiency. The microcontroller is positioned at the rear of the robot with a diesel motor and wheels located is located directly beneath it. A battery is placed at the center of the roof level of the chassis. The lens sensor are installed. The sensor are are installed at the from bottom section of the robot. Up diagonally, a free wheel is mounted underneath the body. Just use being hit the lens sensor to facilitate motor turning movement. Bottom view. descend to bottom view. This descent is intentionally made to simplify the mechanical process of mechanical cutting and assembly. At the rail, we place the wheel and yellow diesel gearbox motors. The battery is located in the center of the bottom layer. Will the gripper will the install on the second level of the robot. The gripper is designed to facilitate the handling of three models and marble utilizing a Engage 19 microservo actuator or auto for press and efficient movement. 4. Primarily design including initial 3D design, hardware selection on the program project. Our team applying creat- creativity creativity be developing the 3D design based on the component on initial round sketch. We we integrate the sketch into a single hierarchy design at can be effectively used for the project. Hardware hardware successes. Baterai Fish RP 13,000 quantity 1 more M3 AirPlay 200 quantity 10 Space Pop Copper AirPlay 16 6,600 quantity 4 Space Copper RP 2000 quantity 6 Nylon Space RP 1215 quantity 2 Barchester 3P on 10 and 20 RP 9000 9500 quantity 1 clean sensor RP 14,000 quantity 1 hold the battery RP 4000 quantity 1 micro servo RP 13 quantity 1 20,000 quantity 2 Baud M3 RP 400 quantity 20 mic motor servo thread RT 31 31 21 to 2000. Microcontroller RP 14 14 5000 14 5000 41. Motor dasar gearbox kuning RP 20,000 to 20,000 42. Microcontroller RP 16,000 21. Plat RP to 13,000 one. Jumper male to female RP 1,500. Fifth, jumper smell female RP 1,015 15 fifth 500. Fifth, jumper male to male RP 1,500. Fifth,
Before presentation, I will introduce myself. My name is Salti Putra Stompul, and I will presentation my project. This number four. Number four, there is preliminary design include initial 3D design, hardware selection, and program flowchart. This in preliminary design, initial 3D design. First, there is seperti ini. First floor is there is microcontroller and driver motor, wheel in back view, and DC motor. Our team applied creativity by developing the 3D design based on a combination of initial rough sketches in we integrated these sketches into a single unfit design that can be effectively used for this project. Hardware selection number you can see number 1 to number 18. Program flowchart this my program line sensor this start S2 0 S3 1 S4 1 0 if yes forward if no right if forward if no S2 1 is 3 0 S4 0 left S2 0 S3 0 F4 1 right. And number 5 critical design include final 3D model, confirm hardware selection, software algorithm. Final 3D model you can see by concept this and the top view isometric view. In the first floor there is battery and older battery servo and the second floor here there is microcontroller and driver motor. And the bottom side there is DC motor yellow and wheel yellow and freewheel and line sensor and gripper. You can see the mechanism my gripper this. Okay, thank you. And next to this is our critical design final 3D model which include the main body and gripper along with all the necessary components. The holes in the model are intended for M3 and M2 bolts which will be inserted during assembly. We design the gripper based on our initial rough sketch as it aligns with our intended functionally. The gripper is capable of opening wide and gripping object firmly. ensuring that the object do not easily fall during operation. Confirm hardware selection. I read for you, and you see by table my table. Number one, but battery quantity 1, 2, more M3 quantity 10, 3, spacer copper quantity 4, spacer copper quantity 6, nylon spacer quantity 2, Volcaster or freewheel quantity 1, line sensor quantity 1, order battery quantity 1, servo quantity 2, baud M3 quantity 20, motor driver shield or node MCU quantity 1, SPX266 quantity 1, motor DC motor yellow and wheel quantity 2, Arduino Nano quantity 1, flat or acrylic quantity 1, jumper male to female quantity 5, jumper female 5, jumper male to male 5. And next to wiring diagram is my team used two microcontroller. There is Nano and ESP X266. You can see the jumper. Why my team use Nano? Because for at the at pin for servo, so we jumper servo to SP X66 and Nano, and my team use RxTech in the SP jumper to Nano. Okay, thank you for attention with my presentation. Bye bye.
Okay, here I will explain about the draft and final design and project timeline. 7. Draft and final design with fully final version ready for production or prototyping. The final design of Team 6 is now ready to be implemented for the RA201 Project Business Learning Assessment. We use the following actuators: MG90S, micro servo, and yellow DC gearbox motors. Additionally, we until 2 microcontroller. This is because using only the ESP microcontroller would result in an insufficiency number of pins, making it impossible to connect the servo motors. 3-4, we added an Arduino Nano to expand the available pins, allowing us to properly connect to the servo motors. As a result, the robot can operate optimal navigating, gripping, and transferring objects to their destined location. Next, 8. Project timeline, budget plan, and resource management. Project timeline. This project was complete over the course of one semester. The design phase was carried out in collaboration with the mechanical team to ensure better precision and to make it easier for both sides to assessment whether the component would fit accurately. This team-based approach during the design stage greatly facilitated the process. The electrical phase was conducted alongside the programming phase, allowing both teams to work together efficiently. This collaboration helped identify which components were connected to each pin, enabling the programmer to map and code the pins correctly. As a result, the overall process became more streamlined and time efficiency. Next, budget plan. A challenge was given the second semester robotic engineering student is the RR201 course, requiring each team to limit their total components isn't expense to a maximum of EDR 400,000. Extending this budget would result in penalty, making it essential for each team to careful analyze, analyze and understand every available component at the Braille store and ensure that each item passed is truly needed for the development of the robot. As for our team, we have successfully stand within the budget, spending a total of EDR 380,900. Resource management. Calvin Yolanda Basri was assigned the role of robot line follower designer. Muhammad Fahri Akbar was appointed to handle the mechanical aspect of the project. Helti Putra Stompul was assigned the entrusted with responsibility for the electrical stage. Reynold Tabalian was designed and trusted to lead the programming phase of the robot. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. I thank everyone. How has within your presentation? We apologize for any mistake case in your words. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.